This tutorial shows how the FaMe system handles the equipment operation. Included the planned and unplanned maintenance execution. First, an overview about the concept. The FaMe system manages mobile and stationary equipment and construction vehicles. For an example, a generator for electricity. FaMe has developed an IoT broker with direct online access to the FaMe database. The FaMe IoT interface reads continuously the operation parameter online. The facility manager prepares the ticket execution triggers for condition, preventive, and predictive maintenance. One-time work with a FaMe planned maintenance module. If the IoT connection isn't available for the particular machine, the FaMe system offers an alternative QR code solution. We explain in this tutorial the QR code solution. The QR codes are mounted at the equipment. The driver scans the QR code. Operation hour. To report the actual operation hour value, we explain first the function to enter the actual operation hour. The driver scans the QR code with his mobile phone. No app installation necessary. The system works with every mobile phone with browser and camera. The app shows the previous reading. The driver enters the actual operation hour and presses the OK button. The information appears immediately at the central supervisor dashboard. The supervisor opens the ticket. The ticket displays the operation hour. The system calculates at the background the cost based on the operation hour. The system compares automatically the reading with the operation hour limit, which triggers a preventive maintenance. In case the value passed the given limit, the system schedules automatically the preventive maintenance ticket. The maintenance ticket appears together with the reading ticket. Next, we explain how the driver sends a maintenance request. The driver scans the QR code, maintenance order, which is mounted at the equipment or vehicle too. The system shows the detailed information of the equipment and a picture of the equipment. The technician chooses from a pick list the work classification and describes as an option the problem at the message field. He has the option to take a photo. The system directs automatically the ticket to the responsible supervisor. The ticket appears at the supervisor dashboard. In this case, the engine not starts. Maybe the battery is offloaded. The technician clicks on the OK button if he enters all information. The problem report appears immediately at the dashboard of the supervisor. The supervisor opens the ticket and reads the problem description. The supervisor creates a new ticket which is bundled with the request ticket, or he selects direct a field engineer who should solve the problem. The ticket appears immediately at the field engineer work order app. Maybe the supervisor links a new battery as a spare part with the FaMe warehouse management module. The system shows the right battery model. If the technician is on site and start with his work, the ticket status changes from open to in progress. If he has done his work, the status changes from in progress to done. Another video explains the technician work order function. Summary: what we have learned. FaMe offers easy-to-operate QR code-based asset management for stationary or mobile equipment, maintenance management by operation hour or other values, accessible with every smartphone with camera, no apps or other downloads necessary, no limit for the amount of equipments. Thank you for your attention. Don't hesitate to contact us or our local dealer for further information. Please check the creation date of this video. Maybe the video not shows the latest version. FaMe offers every year's an update. The updates improve the user interface and functions.